Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Thanks for stopping by today. If you're new to my channel, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a low-calorie density diet called the Start Solution. I started the Start Solution in January of 2020 and I was able to lose those last 15 pounds and I've kept it off. The Start Solution was a program that was developed by Dr. John McDougall, and he wrote a book called The Start Solution which details his program. I will leave a link to his book in the description box below. On my channel you will find whole food plant-based recipes that are quick and easy. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan. And if you're new to this way of eating, or if you feel like you just need some support, I did start a Facebook group. We're a group of like-minded people. We share recipes, give each other support, post pictures of our recipes. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. Today I'm going to be showing you a really super quick, easy recipe. It's a mac and cheese, but it's a little bit of a spicy mac and cheese. I'm going to be using some nacho cheese sauce on there and adding a few other things to it. This is a really simple recipe. It's great for a weeknight dinner if you don't have a lot of time and you just want to whip something together. You make this mac and cheese, whip up a salad, and you're good to go. So let's get started. So I've got my water boiling over here. I'm going to be using this Banza chickpea pasta that comes in all different shapes, and I like this pasta because it's higher in protein and in fiber. So I'm going to put about a half a box in this pot. This is an 8-ounce box. Give it a little stir. And this will take about 8 to 10 minutes. The thing you want to know about this pasta, the chickpea pasta, it will foam up, so don't be alarmed, that is totally normal. And another trick, if you put your spoon like that, it will not boil over. Okay, we drain the pasta back in the pot. I've got my nacho cheese sauce here, so I'm going to add a little bit in here. I'm going to add some black olives, some chopped tomatoes. Those are just cherry tomatoes. I'm going to add some fresh parsley. And a handful of fresh spinach. And we're just going to stir it around, adding more cheese if we need it, letting that spinach wilt. If you really wanted to make it even more spicy, you could chop up a jalapeno and put in there. I don't like it quite that spicy. I am going to add a little bit of this California Balsamic sweet heat just to bump it up a bit. Now I'm going to put the lid on and let that spinach wilt just from the heat of the pasta and what's left over on the stove, and then we'll be ready to taste. So here you go, a big beautiful bowl of pasta. Now you can have pasta on the Start Solution, that's totally okay, but add a bunch of veggies to it and it dilutes the calories and you can eat more. So let's give this a taste. Get some spinach in there. That was such a super easy meal to put together, and it's all in one pot, which I love, and super satisfying. And who doesn't love a big bowl of pasta? So I hope you give this one a try. And remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and check out my Facebook group as well. All the links to the recipe and lots of other links down there below too. Check it out. I've got my favorite products. I got a t-shirt line. There's a whole bunch of things you can check out. So give that a look. And again, thank you for joining me today and hope to see you next time. Thank you.